Hi, I'm Mark Richmond from Chef Knives to Go, and today I'm going to show you how to strop a knife, and then I'm going to show you a couple of the items that I use to do it. Right now, stropping is basically a very simple concept. You basically draw the edge of the knife backwards or using a stropping stroke to refine the edge, and this is typically used as a replacement for using a rod or sharpening steel. It's also used as the final kind of refinement of the edge when you're at the when you're coming to the end of sharpening your knife. So there are a variety of different substrates you can use, and you can also use compounds, sprays, pastes that have usually diamond or other abrasive material that are super fine, and that will give you a higher finish with your edge, and works quite well. So this particular product that I have here is on our website. It's called the Richmond 4-piece stropping set, and it basically has a metal plate that's powder coated and magnetic, and then it has a balsa strop with a magnet on the back of it, and a horse butt strop. And the way this is designed, also it has the 1 micron diamond paste. So the way we intend for you to use this is to use a quick progression. The horse butt works really well by itself, and the balsa works really well with the paste. So we're going to load the balsa with the paste, and then strop on that, and then switch it out, put the horse butt on, and use that. So you can see there's already some paste on here, and the way to apply it is there's a little knob on here. You just take that off, and you squeeze some on. You don't need a whole lot. I probably use about 3 times that much for this, but I use a putty knife, and I just lightly kind of scrape it on so that it loads onto the balsa. And this stuff lasts remarkably long. You can use one application of this dozens and dozens of times, and it's almost impossible to mess up. Nice thin layer, scrape it on there, cover it, and you're done. I recommend you let this dry a little bit. There's not much water in this concentration, but there's enough that it'll move around a little more than you want. So just let it dry on the balsa, but for this we don't need to worry about it. This is what you want to do. You want to start up at the top. You want to copy the edge that you ground your knife at, somewhere in the 15-degree range, maybe a little less depending on what you did. And you just want to draw the edge across the balsa strop, nice and easy, almost no pressure. And then you flip it over and you do the same thing. You'll be amazed at how much nicer your edge gets after you do this just a few times. That's it. So if I were using this at home, I would be done with that. Switch over to the horse. Wipe off my edge a little bit, although probably doesn't matter. And then same thing. And horse butt leather has been used for years and years by barbers who used to do straight razor shaving, and works really well by itself. It is hard. It has a little tiny bit of grittiness to it, and I like it a lot as a final finisher. So that's the whole routine. That's how you strop a knife, and that's kind of give you the introduction to the items in that one set that we sell. I think this works really well, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'm Mark Richmond. Stay sharp.